Okay, I just want to take a quick second to review this Logitech keyboard. It is a mechanical keyboard, so you do get like that kind of loud, tacky noise, which I love. I will say when I first got this, the inner key only worked like every other time, but maybe it was just a little stiff, because it only lasted for a day, and now it works just fine. So I think it's totally okay. It is backlit. Let me turn off some lights, it might help. There we go. So it looks really nice, definitely very easy to read when it's lit up, and when it's not really, but yeah, very simple. It does have like a clear case, a nice spot to plug it in to charge. I do have it Bluetooth, so I'm not using it on the charge like constantly plugged in, but you can do that too. I think you can just use the USB, you don't have to Bluetooth it. And this is the Alto Keys K98M keyboard. I've been very impressed. I'm very happy with it. Works great. It's more petite than what I'm used to for a keyboard. I usually have like longer keyboards, wider keyboards, that have a few more options, but I don't really need them, so this is perfect.
This Logitech K98 keyboard works really well with a Mac. Even though it's mostly built for Windows, it can still be used because it has the command key to know that it is. You press key, it lights up with them LEDs. The sound of it is pretty nice. It's pretty soft, not compared to a mechanical one, but keys are not removable. Other than that, it's got a full keypad, so you can also pair it to an app. Very nice keyboard to pair with a